hair. I am back with another video, y'all. It's been like over a month since I made a video and I miss it. Like, I'm not gonna lie, like when I first started vlogging, I thought it was so annoying to have to put the camera up everywhere you go, but once I stopped doing it and I was looking at my old videos and I'm like, this is actually pretty fire. Let me start acting again. But yeah, I'm gonna update y'all on what I've been up to. I'm gonna put some clips in this video of what I've been up to for the past couple of weeks. So I can't wait for y'all to see. And I started a new vlog today because I was like, I don't know, I was feeling spontaneous. I've been up since 7 a.m. It's currently 3 p.m. I had a 7 a.m. client. I did some medium knotless braids and that went well. Now I'm about to clean my kitchen and my living room because it looks mad crazy. Like, I don't even want to show you guys the before, but I'll show a little clip of me cleaning up or whatever, but my living room looks mad crazy right now. But I also wanted to introduce you guys to a new member of my household. His name is Bear and he's fluffy and cute and just precious. Mr. Bear? Mr. Bear? Come on. Come on, Bear. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. So y'all, this is Mr. Bear. Say hey, Bear. He's scared. Y'all, this is Mr. Bear. He's a new addition to my household. Everyone's been so excited to see him. All my clients love seeing him. He's so precious. But yes, this is a new addition. I still have my big boy. He's over there just looking. He low-key be getting jealous. They be getting jealous of each other. It is crazy. But y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and clean the kitchen. I'm making some Haitian spaghetti tonight. Yes, Haitian spaghetti tonight. Yes, it's gonna be so delicious, but I gotta clean up my kitchen first. So let's go do that. Hey guys, so the last couple of days have been super busy, like super busy, to where like I'm barely getting footage of anything because I'm working like over 12 hours doing clients and my ring light broke, so I'm like not even able to record, you know, like how I usually put the clips of me working. I can't even do that right now. So I'm currently in the midst of ordering a new ring light. But today, I'm doing a house call in Delray and I want to vlog me going to this house call. It's my first time doing this client. No, actually it's my second time doing this client. They came like, I think a year ago with a friend. So I'm excited to see her again. I'm gonna try to get really good angles of the hairstyle that we're doing. I think it's really cool and creative. So I can't wait for you guys to see that. Right now I just fed the dogs. I just fed the dogs. I gotta walk them again. Yeah, let's go do that. Yeah. I'll show you guys my outfit. My mirror is kind of dusty, but it's my outfit. Ooh. Come on, little buddy. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. They're so excited. Hey, Mr. Beard. Hey,
right now, probably 10 toes down. Yeah. Getting shiny, don't look this down. Tattoo peeking through the see-through. Yeah. Body green color, I see you. I see you. Used to be in love, now your life for Cupid. Hate to be a rag, so that nigga feel stupid. Coming through the ground, trying to figure out where you been. All they need to know is that you're outside. Watching real time, ain't too live. Easily adjusted to your new life. Since you let loose, you been too tight. No place to unknown fence. You don't need a man, got your own fence. Don't keep money, these grown men. How do we come up, they sleeping? Pussy so good, gotta sleep in. Arch your back, got knees in. Bring them in. I never get enough, never get enough. I never get enough, never get enough. Many, all in your direction. Choices like testing. Just yeah, that ass too swole, and I'm tryna grab that. If you get too close, tell that nigga back. He been calling your phone, we don't call back. Let him know it's his fault and he need to fall back. Wanna do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just tryna get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gon' be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide. Baby, when we gon' slide. Hey. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, hey, hey, baby, when we gon' slide. 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 I don't care if we on a run. Nothing matters when we one-on-one. Looking at us cause we going dumb. We on the same wave, you the same way. You know I'll be down if it's with you. Where we going, baby, what's the move? We should take a trip up to the moon. Get a room, doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. And we up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide. Baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
I need a vacation. I need my bitch in an apron. Booty all out cooking bacon. Orange juice and ace, so we drinking. I only come out when the stars out. I'm on a mission, but we fall out. The city talking with a large mouth. Yeah, they after the boy like Fallout. 400. Drop it, give me 50, girl. Drop it, give me 50. You can slide with me, but you be tripping when you miss me. You gon' hold me close and on your neck gon' be a hit. I ain't gotta do too much, I know what get you stick. I ain't ain't gotta know astrology, I know your vibe. Skip the foreplay, you don't let niggas fuck with your mind. I ain't giving out apology when I'm behind. Fucking up the streets of the brand new ride.
Moving too fast, candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
Fucking up the streets of the brand new ride.
Alex Epps.
Take a look inside your heart. Is